Hi, welcome to my channel. This is our recipe for today. So let's start cooking. Let's begin by frying the pork until golden brown. Set aside the pork when it is done. And then on the same pan, add some cooking oil and saute the garlic. Add the diced onions and saute. And then season with salt for the onion to soften quickly. When the onion is translucent, let's add now our vegetables, the carrots, the celery, and then saute for a while. Return the pork into the pan. Add black pepper and a bay leaf. Our red wine. And then add some water. Cover and cook for 15 minutes. And now let's check. What a nice smell. It looks good. Let's give it a quick stir. And then we add the mushroom. And I think we need to add more water. Cover and cook for another 10 to 15 minutes or until it is ready. And here it is. Our recipe is ready. Season with the salt according to your taste and serve. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time.